I'll tell you what. No, the first time I ever pulled a pump, because I sucked up something, was on the St. Johns River. We pulled up. Boy, what did we do? Oh, we pulled into this little eatery, this little Gator Bites eatery. It was also the same place all the airboats came in. And I pulled up to the dock, and there was a length of rope, and someone had just cut their dock line off. And that rope went right up and coiled right around the impeller shaft, and that ski went, and pulled itself up against the dock and even a little bit out of the water. And we were like, what the hell do we do? So we took a knife and we cut it off of the dock. We pushed it onto the shore. And thankfully, a guy had a jet ski trailer. And he goes, hey, man, I'm just here having a beer and I'll pull you out. And so he pulled us out. And it was a stand-up jet ski trailer. And I was on like an FX 140 or something. And we pulled out. We had a toolkit. And we dropped the ride plate. And we pulled the reverse bucket. And we pulled the pump out. We pulled the shaft. Or we pulled the stator with the impeller. Pulled the whole thing out. Slid the rope off of it. And it had polished the shaft, but it didn't bend it. Slid it all back in together. Didn't have any silicone, but we put it all back together again and torqued the hell out of it. Said, all right, here we go. Let's finish our day. And that was the end of it. But yeah, that was I think I was like 30. First time I had to do that.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.